Alright, so today I have the Wilhelm Raceworks 2GR oil baffle kit for the oil pan. So here's what we got, just the box, pulled out of the boxes, have the instructions and all the goodies here. I got it shipped unassembled, so I'm going to have to put the rivets in. I'll get to that in a second. So I'm going to need my rivet tool, this guy, just in case. I also have the usual duct tape, WD-40 and hammer. So let's dig in. All right, there we go. So obviously the top and these two guys. So this one must go here underneath, of course. Like so. Lines up nicely. This guy lines up here. What does it? Nope, let's go this way. That's why the holes aren't perfectly spaced. So you can only put it in one way. Smart. So, get a bunch of these guys out here. Riveting tool. This one's got a couple different settings for different size rivets. It's already on the biggest setting, which is this guy here. In. Start with this one. Of course. Nope, not quite. There we go. A little bit of work to get the kind of buttoning that over, but here we go. One down. And if I can still rotate that a little bit. And I'll try and squeeze the rest, and that's basically the gist of it. So from there, you shouldn't have a problem finishing the rest of them. Alright, so I've gone and cleaned all the silicone goo off of the oil pan using just this, well actually at first I started with the razor blade, but then I went with this wire wheel thing on the drill, and that took care of it. Shot pieces of crap everywhere, but did the job. Now the next step, and I hope this is in the right spot, there's a little tab in the oil pan that needs to be bent. And you can see it right here, this guy. It's in the instructions, you'll see. And I can show you why this interferes. Hopefully this lights up and you can see down by my finger. Just barely too. So I'm just gonna bend that forward, kind of per the instructions here as best I can, and see how it goes. Doesn't need too much, just a little bit should do, and hopefully that'll be it. Yeah, so that clears plenty of room. There's still room for this door to fully open, as is obviously the others. So my next step is clear all the crap out of the pan. I still have a bit of kind of debris and silicone that was sealing it, and then I have to clean up the block as well. The lower part of the oil pan and the engine block still needs to be scraped clean, this mating surface here, and then I can get to the RTV and slap this back together. Alright, so I got everything cleaned up, and now it's time to apply RTV as per instructions. So I actually have some of the Toyota seal packing left over. Hopefully you can see that. This is the, it says FIPG seal packing number 103. This stuff was, I forget what I bought it for. probably oil pans, stuff like that. Anyway, this is the regular Toyota FIPG, but as Wilhelm says, there's options. So this is what I got, so here I go. And then Alex also wants a little bit more along the edges here, here, and along here. No problem. There's one more spot I missed to put a little bit extra silicone. Is right in this side shape there. All right, here we go. My arms under here. Turned around in the right direction. Be a good idea. Just keeping an eye on where that strainer goes. Line up with that stud. And then alright. I'm on the two studs. Let's try to get these nuts started. And then I can start running the bolts in. Go. There.